garden to all of you. So this is my chili plant. So around 1.5 month old. So and this is the cucumber plant. It's actually a climber. So it is also 1.5 month old. And followed by the next pot, which consists of this coriander and then garlic here, and this is the lemon plant and it is still growing, and followed by my tomato plant. So this is around 1.5 month old, and which follows by pudina. So this is 1.5 years old. Frequently I pluck the pudina leaves for my kitchen cooking. Followed by this is the curry leaf, and you can use this leaf for the throat infection. In Kannada it is called as bai basle. And this is the palak, you can see here. Followed by my bottle garden. So this is the palak. Next is the spring onions, and this is the mustard. So you can see the flowering of this mustard plant. So next to this is the coriander. So you can recycle the bottles, like water bottles or phenol bottles, like that, any type of bottles, and cut into this shape. Inside just pour the potting mix and sow the seeds. You can get a nice growth. So in these bottles you can grow all the herbs. So next to this is the curry leaves. This is the curry leaves plant, followed by some flowering. Then here I sown 4 onions to grow spring onions. Probably within a month I can get the spring onion strings. So this is my methi. So it is around 20 days old. About an inch of growth I can see. And this consists of eggplant. So I have sown around 1 month back. Now it's got seedling. And then followed by this palak and the jasmine. Here you can see my rose cuttings. So the leaves are getting shed. So later it will grow again and give me a nice color of roses. And this comes a very nice and beautiful flower. So this can attract the insects, which helps the pollination process. As many as in a single twig you can see lots of flowers are there. So next is my tomato plant, and followed by some garlics, and this is the plant, you can see the berries here. So this is the best one. So this black color berry, which is very good, which have the healing power for throat infection, cold and cough, for babies or children's. It cures very fast. Followed by my huge tomato plant in a pot. So this is around 2 months old plant. So you can see lots of flowers are there. So this is my first tomato. So nice growth, right? So I can harvest the tomato within 15 days from all of these twigs. Okay, followed by some palak and a flowering twig, and this consists of I think I forgot this. So it's got seedling around 2 months. Okay, so it takes very long time to grow. So this is the bendi seeds. Okay, and this followed by my jasmine twig, and which grows very nicely. Here you can see the buds. Followed by palak and my lovely spring onions in a bottle, and this followed by a 3 pairs of bottle. You can see here, this is the money plant, and this is the coriander, and next is the beans. So this is around 1 month old plant. You can see here the flowering and the fruit, that is the beans. Still it is growing. So that's about my mini balcony garden. So I don't have much space, but even I can grow lots of plants using pots and this types of bottles and containers. So this is my garden. So how it is, just click the subscribe button so that I can post lots of videos regarding my balcony garden. Okay, thank you.